Hey guys, welcome to Kicking It with Kish, and in today's video, we're gonna harvest those purple potatoes that I talked about in the last one. Um, I want to harvest one, but I really and truly think in the end I'm gonna harvest both bags because I planted both of them at the same time. So let's go harvest these purple potatoes. So I just want to take a quick peek to see if there's anything in there. All right, let's take a quick little peek. Ooh, we got a purple potato in there. All right, so let's go harvest. All right, let's go harvest the purple potatoes. Let's see what we got. I need to get a tarp because this soil is going right back into the garlic bed. Hold on, let me go get a tarp. So we're gonna go ahead and see what is in here. And depending on how much is in here is if we'll harvest the other one. And these are not big purple potatoes. I'm gonna take these glasses off because they're falling. Even though I try to put on a new pair of glasses, it's still falling because it's the sweat. So these are not like the big. No, these are not big purple potatoes. They were little ones. So even these are good. The little bite-sized potatoes are good because that's really what they were. They were not huge potatoes. Okay, so yeah, these are ready because it didn't even have much on there. This is our seeded potato. Okay, so since this is all we got from the first harvest, and it didn't look like any more was growing, and we both put them in at the same time, I'm gonna just go ahead and get the other potatoes. I put seeded potatoes in this bag, and I know I put one in the other bag, so let's see. And that's gonna kind of give me an idea if I need to put more potato slips in that bag, because I didn't get much out of that at all. So let's go ahead and check the other bag. All right, let's see about the next bag. one had an even smaller harvest. So that one had an even smaller harvest. So total, we have a few niblets. We have a few niblets. Enough for one meal at least. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I still have more time to plant more potatoes. So if I do, I'm gonna get possibly a bigger grow bag, or I might try to grow them in the green stock. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Try to grow the next set of potatoes in the green stock and see what happens. So as of right now, I'm gonna, I guess, cure these. I think they're supposed to get cured before you eat them. I'm not sure, or that could be sweet potatoes that you have to cure. But I'm gonna do some research on what I need to do next with the purple potatoes. I know the purple potatoes has a lot more nutrients and more vitamins and stuff than regular sweet white potatoes. So that's the main reason why I wanted to grow these. So that's it. That was our potato harvest. It wasn't much, but at least I know, you know, I could grow purple potatoes. All right, y'all. So now, since that we've checked on the potatoes, what I'm gonna do now with the soil is I'm going to go ahead and put some black cow and some fertilizer, some blood meal, bone meal, and get it prepared for another harvest. I think I have enough time to do another set of potatoes, so we could get some more purple potatoes, and I'm pretty sure I still have more in the pantry that's sprouted. So I have the rest of my seeded potatoes, and this is a Sunburst blend, so that's what we're gonna use. It's not the purple potatoes, but good enough. And I already done added some bone meal, blood meal, some fertilizer, some worm castings, and some black cow. What I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna heal it. I think I heard Asia on Yellow Door Urban Homestead said that she doesn't heal hers. She just literally puts some soil in the bottom, then she puts the potato in there, and then she just covers it, fills it all the way up to the top, and then lets it go like that. So I'm gonna do that this time. The first time I actually was healing. And let me bring you guys a little closer. If y'all see something, warn me, because I have to take my glasses off since it keeps sliding. And I wish I had my stool. My stool is inside. Alright. So we're gonna use I'm gonna take one of these, eyes to the sky, and we're gonna take a purple one. Eyes to the sky. And we're gonna do like one more. I'll also take this one. Eyes to the sky. No, hold on. Let me try one more purple one. Okay. So that is what we're gonna use. Nothing climbed in my gloves. And then we're gonna take all of the soil, put it back in, It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I may not water it today. Hold on, I feel like the soil looks a little too brown, so I'm gonna get a little bit more black cow. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. Okay, we're back. And I got me some more black cow. Oof, gotta take the glasses off. Got to take the glasses off. Got me some more black cow to put in this, because it was just looking too, I know the soil is dry, but it was just looking too too dry, a little too light. Alright, so now I'm gonna put this in there. I'm gonna use this to make it quicker and easier. Got another one. Okay. So we got that filled straight to the top. We're gonna put it back into the garden. Yeah, that's it for this video. So all I'm getting ready to do is clean up and put everything away. So thank you for kicking it with Kish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to grow something. Even if it's something small, don't forget to grow something. Y'all take it easy. Bye.